Hey Besticles, today we are headed to Presto Pasta. If you're new here, my name is Vanessa Williams Morgan, and this is the Morgan's Legacy. Today we are headed to Presto Pasta. It's my very first time here. They opened about a little over a year ago. It's at the brand new plaza, which is just adjacent to Calabar. It's at 76 Red Hills Road, and as you walk in, this is the ambience. It's given yard, it's given streets, it's given Italy meets Jamaica, right? But on a budget. So this is what the ambience is given. It is, I love the fact that they incorporate these crates to make the centerpiece in the ceiling. I love it. I think it was really creative, and we applaud the creativity over here. Inside the restaurant, you have a lot of like decor on the wall, like wall art. It's really cute, really, you know, vibesy. And this is a cafe kind of setting, and of course we applaud that because sometimes we need a little space to hang out, right? There's also additional seating outside, so if you don't want to dine inside, you can dine outside. But remember, Jamaica is hot, so up to dine inside. There's adequate space, and I love that. Now let's dive in, guys. The menu is extensive. You can go ahead, you can build your own pasta dish, as well as you can opt for something that they already have on the menu. You can just select something, so you can build your own, as well as you can choose something that is already on the menu. First, you need to make your order, as in place your order first, make your payment, and then they will start looking about your food, right? So for me, I chose this meat lovers delight because as a big back representative, I figured that this would be really yum. So I got the meat lovers delight. It had in chicken, it had in beef, it had in bacon. It was yes, but we will deal with the review after. For my husband, I got the shrimp pasta, and I did both with penny because I like penny pasta. I think it just give what it's supposed to give. Yeah. You can also choose more than one add-ons, as in I chose shrimp and sausages for my husband, and then you can actually choose what kind of sauce you'd like. I chose the Alfredo. They have different things. As I said, pause the menu before and you can go back and look at it and see what tickle your tummy. Now, as I said, there's gonna be a little bit of wait because you have to wait until they actually prepare the dish. Of course, the toppings are, the add-ons are already prepared separately, but you know, it takes a little bit of time to get everything together. My son, he got this sliders. It was chicken breast sliders, and them slide. I'm not telling a lie. Okay, so as I said, first you order, then you select what you want to put into your dish, and then you go to the area, you give your receipt, and then they will do what they do. As I said, there's gonna be a little bit of wait. We're just recapping. There's gonna be a little bit of wait, but that's okay because we understand that when you're getting your food fresh, yes, which is what we want, it takes a little bit of time. Now, if you have any food allergen, I will implore you, go ahead and before you order, you instruct the person taking order that you have food allergens, and as such, you declare your allergens to ensure that you are safe at all times, because you know food is, we're gonna be safe, okay? Okay, all right. Now, let us dive into the review itself. Now, I'm gonna say this, and I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. This was really, really good. The pasta was cooked al dente. The serving size, mighty God, for $1,800, people, for $1,800, that bowl, it looks small on the outside, but believe me when I say it owes a lot. It owes a lot for that $1,800, because that's a cost for the meat lovers. It's $1,800 and it owes a lot. I actually shared mine with a friend and it's all belly full. We're belly full and I still had to struggle to finish. So I'm gonna say that portion size, amazing. The taste is really good. It's really creamy but not overly creamy. The cheese sauce that they use, I think it was really fresh. I overall, I did enjoy my meal. I'm gonna have to give them 10 for the meal, 10 for the serving size, 9 for the cleanliness, because when I sat at the table I realized that some of the tables weren't being cleaned between guests, and I don't like that. Yes, between customers it should be cleaned, right? So I'm gonna give them a 9 because I realized that some tables were but some weren't, right? So I'll give them a 9 for that. And of course, as I said, I like the ambiance. It's giving yard meat Italy, so big up them for that. Creativity is a plus. And I love the fact how professional the staff was. They were very professional. The young man that served us, he was very welcoming, very warm. Love that. For my son's chicken slider, definitely it was really good. As I said, that slide right down and was so good. He got it with the Parmesan fries, and I think overall the food was a 10. It was really good. I don't eat shrimp, so I did not try my husband's own, but he said it was really good, and he got his late because I actually brought it to him and he had to re-eat it, and he said it was really good. And of course the portion size, we can't stop talking about the portion size. For the shrimp dish, it was 2,000 something. So I would say on an average, if you're planning to go, you can budget per person, just budget 125 per person. If you're gonna have a drink, of course you know that it is uptown, so as a result the drink, if you don't pay $100 for one can water, just budget 150 for the can water. Correct. So overall per person, I would say $2,500 could cover your meal per person. And of course the serving is adequate and the food is great. So big up to you, Presto, we're out. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Love and love alone. Walk good, stay blessed. Mwah.